Hi guys, summer's here and let us chill with this delicious minty lemon masala soda. This is the list of ingredients required. In a mortar, take 8 to 10 mint leaves, torn roughly. Add in a 1/4 inch piece of ginger which has been cut into small pieces. Add 1 thin slice of lemon which is optional and 1 teaspoon water. Crush all of this gently. This will release all the delicious flavors and essential oils. Be extra gentle while crushing the lemon because it will get bitter if you crush excessively. Transfer this to a serving glass. Add 1 teaspoon of black salt, a pinch of roasted cumin seeds, and a pinch of crushed black pepper. Add in the juice from half a lemon. And mix all of this well. Add in 8 to 10 ice cubes. Now pour in about 400 ml of chilled soda water. Tilt the glass slightly and pour the soda slowly over the sides to prevent excess fizzing. Wait for the bubbles to settle and pour again slowly till the glass is full. Give it a last stir and you're ready to go. Enjoy your minty lemon masala soda. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. And for more such interesting recipes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the profile picture below. Thank you.